Welcome to Olani J Trade. Today, we're diving into the world of quantum stocks, focusing on QBTS. That's right, QBTS, the company that's been quietly making waves in the quantum computing space. They've been on my radar for a while now. And let me tell you, things are heating up. We're going to break down QBTS, analyze its potential, and I'm going to tell you straight up whether I think it's a buy, a sell, or a hold. We're diving deep into the world of quantum computing, folks, because this technology has the potential to be absolutely revolutionary. We're talking game changers, disruptors, the whole 9 yards. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of quantum stocks. You don't want to miss this. We'll analyze its future potential and discuss whether quantum stocks are a good investment right now. Let's talk QBTS. This company, they're not just playing around. Their recent earnings report, a knockout. They're exceeding expectations, folks, blowing them out of the water. Revenue is up, profits are soaring, and their quantum computing technology, it's light years ahead of the competition. But here's the thing about QBTS. They're not just a one-trick pony. They're diversified, strategically investing in other cutting-edge technologies. We're talking artificial intelligence, machine learning, the works. They're building a portfolio for the future, and that's what excites me. Now, I know what you're thinking. Olani, is it too late to get in on QBTS? Listen, this stock has momentum, serious momentum. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to be smart, you need to do your research, and you need to be ready to strike when the iron is hot. So, what's the verdict? QBTS is a buy, but be patient. This is a long-term play, folks. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Wait for the dip and then pounce. Now, let's talk quantum stocks in general. This is a sector that's on fire, folks, absolutely ablaze. Everyone's talking about quantum computing, and for good reason. It's the future, and investors are scrambling to get a piece of the action. But here's the thing about hot sectors. They can be volatile. You've got your high flyers, your shooting stars, but also your falling knives. It's a jungle out there, folks, and you need to know what you're doing. That's why I'm here to tell you, not all quantum stocks are created equal. You've got your pure plays, your companies that are all in on quantum. Those are the risky ones, the ones that could make you rich or break your heart. Then you've got your more established players, the tech giants, dipping their toes into the quantum waters. Those are the safer bets, but maybe not the ones that will make you a millionaire overnight. Alright, folks, you know I can't leave you hanging. You want stock picks? I've got stock picks. So, listen up, because I'm about to give you 3 quantum stocks that are on my radar right now. First up, we've got IONQ. They're building trapped ion quantum computers. And let me tell you, this technology is the real deal. It's got the potential to revolutionize everything from drug discovery to material science. Next on the list, we've got Rigetti Computing. They're developing superconducting quantum computers, and they're making serious progress. Keep an eye on them, folks, because they're going places. And last but not least, we've got PsiQuantum. They're taking a different approach, focusing on photonic quantum computing. It's a long shot, but if it pays off, it could be huge. There you have it, folks, QBTS and the exciting world of quantum stocks. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're still in the early innings of the quantum revolution, and the potential is limitless. But remember, investing is a risky business. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about QBTS? Are you bullish on quantum stocks? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more market moving insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the stock market. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on QBTS and other quantum stocks.